Hey guys, welcome again to Fun with Maths. Here's another problem. 3 to the power of 3m minus 3m squared equals m squared minus m. Find m. So here's the solution. First, let's bring down the given equation. Next, for the power of 3, which is 3m minus 3m squared, we are going to factor this in terms of common. The common is 3. So this is now 3 to the power of 3 times 3m divided by 3, that is m, negative 3m squared divided by 3, that is negative 1, or that is negative m squared, equals m squared minus m. Next, 3 cubed, that is equivalent to 27, then whole to the power of m minus m squared, equals m squared minus m. Next is, by following this rule, a minus b, which is also equal to negative times b minus a. So for this, we can write it as 27 to the power of m minus m squared equals negative times m minus m squared. Now, let x be equal to m minus m squared. So for this to write, this is now 27 to the power of x equals negative times x. And then next, that is 27 to the power of x equals negative times x, that is negative x. Next is, we are going to insert a power, both sides, and that power is 1 over x. So power of 1 over x, power of 1 over x. The purpose is so we can remove the power of 27. So this is cancelled. We're left with 27 to the power of 1 equals negative x whole to the power of 1 over x. Now, using the commutative property, this is negative x to the power of 1 over x equals 27. Next is, we can let 1 over x be equal to negative y. And thus, x is equal to negative 1 over y. And it can be negative x is equal to 1 over y. And next is, for this, we can write it as negative x, that is equivalent to 1 over y. Negative x, the equivalent is 1 over y. So that is now 1 over y to the power of 1 over x, that is equivalent to negative y. So this is negative y equals 27. Now, the inverse of 1 over y is y to the power of negative 1. Then whole to the power of negative y equals 27. Next, we can multiply power to a power. Negative 1 times negative y, that is positive y. So this is now y to the power of y equals 27. And for 27, we can write it as 3 cubed. So this is now y to the power of y equals 3 cubed. Now for this, since they have the same base and power, other side, same base and power, and that means we can say that this is y is equal to 3. Now let's recall that x is equal to negative 1 over y. So we can use this to get the value of x. So x is equal to negative 1 over positive 3. Therefore, x is equal to negative 1 over 3. And now, let's recall also that earlier, we let x be equal to m minus m squared. And we can use this to get the value of m. So x, that is negative 1 over 3, equals m minus m squared. Now, we put over 1 so we can cross multiply. Start here, m minus m squared times 3. That is 3 times m minus m squared equals negative 1 times 1, that is negative 1. Now let's multiply. 3 times m, that is 3m. 3 times negative m squared, that is negative 3m squared equals negative 1. Next, let's take -1 to the other side. And then we also arrange this. So this is now -3m squared plus 3m plus 1 equals, this side is now equal to 0. Now, this is a quadratic equation. To get the values of m, we can use the quadratic formula. But before that one, let's identify the value of a, b, and c. For a, that is -3. For b, that is +3. And for c, that is +1. Now, the quadratic formula is m is equal to -b, positive negative square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Now, to solve, this is m is equal to -b, that is +3, positive negative square root of b squared, that is 3 squared, minus 4 times a, that is -3, times c, that is +1, all over 2 times a, that is -3. And then m is equal to negative times 3, that is -3, positive negative, square root of 3 squared, that is 9, -4 times -3, that is +12, times 1, that is positive or plus 12, all over 2 times -3, that is -6. And this is m is equal to -3, positive negative, square root of 9 plus 12, that is equal to 21, all over -6. And then next, m is equal to -3 divided by -6, that is +3 over 6. And then positive negative square root of 21. For this, we can have two values of m. m sub 1 is equal to 3 plus square root of 21 over 6. M sub 2 is equal to 3 minus square root of 21 over 6. And this is our final answer. And that's all for today. For more exciting videos, don't forget to like and subscribe to Fun with Maths.